Okay, here is the entryway cabinets. The top of the wood bench top is 18 inches, just a standard sitting height. The cabinet cases are 12. The drawer front adds another 3/4, and then the wood top would add an additional 1.25 inches. So from the back to the front of the wood top would be 14 inches, and these walls are 14.5. These are 4 drawers, same drawer style, same cabinet case style as the kitchen, and then you can see it priced out with cherry or the mahogany. All right, there you are. Thank you. And in an elevation view to see some of the sizes with those.